Oh boy, we are about to get hammered. The storm is coming, a big one. Jeez. Uh-oh. Oh, she's in, she's moving. Let's see, make sure we're not going to drift out into anything bad here. We're dragging.
Dragging?
Yeah, we're dragging.
Anchor limit off?
I don't think so, but it just pulled and I felt it.
But we're not over.
Huh?
We're still
Yeah,
good.
it pulled loose though. I saw it pull loose.
What direction are we pointing at?
We're pointed out there towards Marathon. I'm just gonna keep an eye still.
Yeah, just keep an eye on it.
Okay.
Captain's Log, April 3rd, 2022.
I'm just hanging out in the flybridge for a little bit. Storm rolled up. Pretty decent one from what I could tell. So far, it's managed to knock our flagpole down. Flagpole is broke. RIP flagpole. Flag is safe. I took the flag down already. I thought we were dragging a little bit, but we weren't. I think the chain maybe was just looped up and it jumped like it was, like the anchor was dragging, but it wasn't. I just checked and it's pretty tight. We've got quite a bit of anchor chain down, but I'm just hanging out up here in the flybridge just to make sure that everything's good and that I can start up and get moving in a hurry if I need to.
Being stuck at anchor with a huge thunderstorm rolling in might not sound like a good time, but if you know me, I love a good old thunderstorm. I am a little cautious about the anchor holding here though. The first time we anchored here, I decided to drop down right smack in the middle of the channel, which didn't provide much for the anchor to grab onto, but it did give us calmer conditions since we were a bit closer to land. But after 24 hours, we started dragging and we had to relocate. Since then, we've been here a few times and have anchored back a couple 100 yards in more of a grassy, sandy area, which so far hasn't given us any trouble yet. And tonight will be the ultimate test.
Getting a new swing area here, but we're still okay, so I'm not going to worry about anything just yet. Going back and forth on that little swing line. Just swinging back and forth, swinging away. We're the blue dot there. Woo. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Listen to that thunder. My goodness. I don't know if I should be out here. I was just keeping an eye on our swing line and we're still okay. I think I'm going to go inside though. I'll just keep an eye on the unit there. I don't want to get struck by lightning. Oh my gosh. Looks like it's just skirting around to the outside of us, to the south of us, so that's good. It's not going to hit directly over. But still, that's insane. I'm going to hang out here by the door because I don't know if the wind will shift around afterwards. Just make sure we don't blow into anything.
Although it looked pretty ominous outside, the rest of the night was uneventful. And that was proof that the holding power of the anchor, along with the scope of chain that was let out, was sufficient to withstand this type of storm. And now I was left with one of my favorite pastimes of enjoying a lightning show.
Well, it looks like things have calmed down a bit. It's still a little windy, it's still stormy a little bit, but it looks like most of the bad part has passed, so I'm gonna go get some sleep. Good night.
Here she comes. Here comes the sun. We are anchored outside of Molasses Key. Adrian and Mike are still sleeping. Kind of a rough night. We had a pretty tough storm come through. Lightning, thunder, lots of waves. But the good news is we still stayed anchored outside of Molasses Key. That's a huge win. Lens is a little foggy. Been waiting for it to unfog with the humidity from being inside now, but definitely watching the beautiful sunrise. Nobody is out here but us. It's breakfast again in the morning.
Breakfast time. Breakfast, waffles.
I was not allowed to make waffles this morning.
Oh yeah.
So, Adrian's
Funny
making the
story.
And we have bacon,
Bacon.
bacon,
The other food group.
the other food group.
What does it go do with bacon? Nothing. Breakfast.
Compliments of Mike and Adrian.
I don't know what this is.
I actually hit the record button.
What did I say?
You said something very nice.
The weather's beautiful outside right now. I said that you are beautiful, Michelle. You're so funny.
You make
You're,
him laugh.
You make me laugh, and you're a special person because Adrian loves you so much.
Oh, that's my girl Amy. Now we know this won't make true footage, but at least
It's a
I
lie.
have it.
I didn't say that.
Flagpole's going up.
Warming up the twins. Backup flagpole.
Backup flagpole. Where's the real flagpole?
Laying on the side, broken.
It's actually over here. Just got to get a new one, that's all.
But in the Keys, you always have a backup, right?
Yes, you always have a backup, so we are improvising here
With a
with
backup flag.
our shrimp net, making a flagpole out of it. We got to fly that big old beautiful flag.
So what's the plan today, Captain?
We are going to go out to the reef and see if the water is a little bit better today. So probably, maybe close to where we were yesterday. Maybe a little shallower. See what it looks like, and hopefully the water will be a little more clear and less choppy. We'll see.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, we're going. Here we go. We're up. We're going.
He's on a course right for us.
We're approaching the boat's port side like we are now. We have to go behind the boat.
Oh, okay.
But if it was the other way around, if he was coming from that side, he would have to go behind us. But I don't want him to go behind us anyways because he might run over our fishing lines. All right, we are here. I'm just finishing letting the anchor down. But the water is much more clear today and much more calm. It's not perfect, but I think it's doable. Oh my gosh, we're rolling. Look how much we're rolling. We're here.
Yay, we're here.
We're ready to go in the water now. Got to get suited up and get the cameras and get everything ready. We're rolling too.
All right, this is gonna be the deep one. As opposed to yesterday, it was like this deep, you know? So it's gonna be deeper than this.
What you doing today?
We're gonna go look for some lionfish.
Yeah.
Where the fish at?
Where the fish at? We'll find some lionfish for sure.
And maybe a mutton snapper because grouper's out of season, hogfish out of season. I think about the only thing we're gonna find is maybe a mutton. That's a zoo tube if you get one, you know. I'm always like the bad guy, not bad guy, the bad guy. I carry the bag, so you know we gotta be pretty close together. So if you get one, then I'll come over and just kind of hold it, and don't stab me in the leg. Just get him in, and try to wedge him in this crack here, and just pull back. Yeah.
Okay.
But if you get it like right here in the center, these things will just fall backwards.
You have your hand here and you pull this back and then you let go and it goes right into the lionfish.
Okay.
Yep. And I can find a clip for you too if you want it, or
Can you
don't
just
have
like
them.
stab them too, or no?
You could try, but they can be
They're
fast.
fast?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you could try a couple times, and I'm gonna have one too.
Well, I guess ice cold water is better than nothing. That's a spare weight belt right there.
This guy is? Okay, cool. Thank you.
Let's see how much weight. Let's go!
Rub-a-dub-dub, 3 people in a tub, and who do you think they'd be? They'd be the captain, the engineer, and the physician on their way to dive in a reef. Hey! How'd it go?
That's great. Got my first lionfish.
Yay! That's
Oh, Marky.
awesome. What is it?
It's the first lionfish that I speared.
Awesome.
Nice 15-inch lionfish.
And you are saving the world one lionfish.
At a time.
I think the little reef creatures from this big reef bully.
He's a bully.
Look how fancy this is. Wow. Ooh, I'm about to drop that strawberry. I can't lean it. Yeah.
Where'd the anchor come from?
The ocean.
Did you guys find it today?
Brad found it.
Brad found it? Adrian found it.
found it.
Adrian, oh, you did?
He found it, yeah.
The last adventure, you came back with 3 lionfish, and next adventure,
Load him up.
Gonna go back for more. This is take 2. Take two.
Are you going to the same
round two.
spot?
Yeah, no, we're gonna go up farther that way.
Yeah, how'd it go?
Got some lionfish.
Yeah.
More.
How many more?
I don't know, maybe 12?
Oh my gosh.
Most were small though.
Saw a big nurse shark, grouper, and turtle.
Yeah, lots of big stuff here. It was fun.
It's a great night, man.
It was fun.
So fun.
That was a pretty good day. And Michelle, look at Michelle made some awesome goodies. Oh, ooh, oh my gosh. I just spilled some of it. All right, we're on our way back. It's really windy, or it's windy when we're driving. But we had a good day. We got some lionfish and an anchor. And we just had a really, I mean, it's been at least a couple of months since we got to dive out on the reef. So I was super excited about that. So we'll see you guys next week.